Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here with you today. Excuse any kind of hoarseness I have, or sniffles, or slight coughs I may have today. Allergies are just messed up. Slight ear infection. It's feeling better today. As you can see, my dome is all cut up from my live head shave yesterday. Before I get to things, my channel's going to slow down just a little bit. I got a lot going on. I may not even do links at the bottom of the video today because I got a lot of things I've got to do. But I like doing videos and I want to keep doing this. So my content's going to slow down a little. Why don't we go watch some other people as well? I'll still have videos coming out, but we got some guys that are at some mile markers, like my boy DK at Damn Fine Shave. I'll definitely link him below. I'll link Manny from SoCal Shave. He's almost at 1,000. He just needs a few more as well. DK's at 296. He doesn't promote himself or anything, but when he gets to 300, him and I are going to do a joint giveaway with our channels. That is the plan. I think I've got some of my stuff actually coming back to me really soon, so we could proceed with that as soon as he gets his 300, and I've got a brush coming in. Well, unfortunately, because the guy moved in postal service, he only got it like 2 days ago, like Saturday. So we'll see how fast that moves forward. No pre-shave. Last time I shaved my face was Friday night. This is Monday around 11:30 in the morning. Not afternoon yet. We're using the new Doppelganger. Just came in. Want to give it a try. I don't know what the Creed scent smells like. Yeah, I got it on my nose, guys. Yeah, I don't know what the Creed scent smells like, but this smells nice. Like I've never smelled the Creed. So guys, another brush I was going to use today. And I'm actually going to post another channel of the guy that fixed up my razor. He's an awesome dude, very knowledgeable. And he drops his lives from Lather and Blade on his channel, which makes it very fun. So honestly, guys, you should be in Lather and Blade, because when you see this guy, you're going to be like, oh, dude, I got to see this funny shit all the time. So just so you guys know, this is, and I know, daytime lighting is shitty, but this is my wasp tail from Magic Mike. Not Magic Mike. Hi! Magic Mike wishes he had this brush. My SmilezforMilez. And it's the wasp tail. It's blue. And it's also got that, I can't remember what kind of cactus skeleton in there or whatever. It's really sweet, guys. And he says this is like a samurai. Kind of looks like a lotus to me as well, but it's like mixed between a beehive and a samurai, he said. Really dig it, good feel. Look at the tips. I bloomed it. That's about all I did with it. Cleaned it once, and we're about to give it first use. All right, guys? Oh, we're going to stick it in there again, fully hydrate. Today I'm going to face lather because I want to try this V69 knot out. It's just how I feel about it. V69 knot. Plant my face in a soft-titted knot. Plant my face in a soft-titted knot. All right. We're just loading it like we hate it because, I don't know, it's a high-density brush. High density can tend to eat lather. Nobody's eating my damn lather today except my razor. All right. Pull some of this proto-lather out, as people like to call it. So we're going to be busting out the hook. Army mateys! The hook is coming out. Those of you that don't know, I have a V2 being worked on of the hook. It's not going to have geometry problems. Found a huckleberry. I'm pretty excited about that. So we're going to rinse this tub fully. Yeah, I loaded from the tub today, guys. That's how I felt like doing it. I wanted a face lather. I wanted this, you know, V69 fucking soft titty knot all up on my face. So we're going to see how it goes. Got this going. Pretty well loaded, a little foamy. We'll see how it goes. You'll have suds a flying. I need way more water, guys. I may have, well, too much water out of that knot. As So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back to dipping the tips. Dip the tips. Just the tips. Who am I kidding, guys? Go balls deep! Not just the tips. Anyways. A lot of growth. So sorry about my long ass face lather, guys. I think I got like 57 minutes on this phone, so we should be good for recording before I gotta start deleting shit. So still a little pasty, guys. I'm gonna sit here and keep brushing it in. It's got some decent flow through, guys. Bloop. Bloop. All right. We're just going to go with this, guys, and hopefully it's good enough. It's not beautiful or anything. Extremely great lather. But should do the ticket. She's got a ticket to ride. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, it's not Stone CDP. Arr, me matey. We got the hook. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's so much better than it was. Nice. That's a lot of hair in there, guys. Paul? I'm learning from you. This is super sweet. Edge, by the way. Because the thing is, I guarantee his regular edge, so much nicer. You know, when something didn't have geometry issues. He said this was like a commissary. Kind of straight on one side and wedged on the other. He's like, dude, all sorts of geometry issues. I'm gonna give it a... Do y'all hear the singing? Arr, now we try the other side. Sweet! It's really nice, Paul. Thank you. All right. One pass down. Guys, that knocked that shit off. Like, I'm serious. I may not have to do a touch-up after the second. I mean, there's a ton of hair in the sink. And I like it. I don't have to worry about getting anything in the hinge pins. This razor. Wet the face. Suds be flying everywhere. It's like Maddie's Messy Shave. And guys, just so you know, I'm sorry. I'm so behind on videos. I'll do my best to catch up. I'm like 2 days behind. Some people, you know, I see it and I'm like, oh, dude, I gotta stop and see that. Did I have a loose hair that was just... Yeah, there it is. Excuse me. So yeah, guys, really nice. So really nice. And like I said, guys, go check out DK. Go to check out Manny from SoCal. I like Manny. Manny uses so much different gear, man. He uses like a ton. High end, low end, you know, entry level, like whatever he wants, whatever he suits. He's also a trucker. So sometimes you get his shaves while on the road at like one of those Loves or Pilots or something where they, he's probably a Loves guy. I don't know. And, you know, when you get the shower, he does some shave videos in there. It's pretty cool. I like it, but I'm a driver, so interesting to me. So yes, I could understand why you call this a summery scent. Bright. Something for the fresh boys. And if you're watching me, and you're not watching Ken Shave 326, you need to be. It's Fern Boy Weep. Yeah, you have to vote. Man, that was so much nicer. Rinse to flip direction. Man. That's nice, guys. I enjoy it. Okay, one more pass going down. I can't help it. On the neck. Really good. Try to get it in there. We got a little extra suds in here. The lather. Give it a whoop. Yeah, nothing there. It's right there. There we go. All right. Rinse the face, move the razor so I don't like slap it down. So guys, very nice shave. Damn it. I had him hone some other shit, guys. So Tippy does. We're good. Good enough. Finally cleaned up that neck a little. Just always right here, man. It's always just a little prickly. Hard to get BBS no matter what I use. Even with the DE. Feather balloon. Whatever you want to call it. And that felt good, guys. Really nice shave. I'm not going to keep you around for the cleanup. We are going to do the cream. Didn't get it all out. Brushed it out. Now I know how you feel, DK. So, follow it up. Splash. Rose hydrosol. I know some of his stuff has the rose hydrosol from that tree, that rose bush. It's like a tree in Tombstone. So, very nice. I don't know if this is. So, that's nice. Good smell. Oh, that's so nice. And there is some rose in that, my man. I can smell that rose stronger in this than I did the soap. Really excited about the soap, man. This is a great scent. Till next time, guys, remember, DK Damn Fine Shave, Manny, SoCal Shave. And you know what? My boy, why did I forget you? I am so sorry. Jeremy Tyler, the traveling shaver. I got so interested in mentioning the guys that were like almost at their mile markers. And I really know Jeremy's kind of at one of his personal mile markers right now. So go give him a talk, you know. He's got a good voice. Good shavette shaver. So head shaves and everything, guys. So that's what you're into. But until next time, guys, sorry you got a 20.5-minute video if I decide to do an intro.